Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to behave tomorrow and what are the key levels for tomorrow. Now I was about to show you our open positions for the day, but we have an overnight at this moment. So like a ritual, I want to keep it for tomorrow. So we are anticipating something very huge on the other side. So tomorrow there would be a particular instance that you would be in for a big surprise. So with that, I would also want to tell you that with our way of analysis, we were able to predict a news in a specific stock 1 hour before it actually went up. So our analysis with the order flow in stock options is playing well. And that also had given us the opportunity to understand that Bank Nifty will not give much of a move today, but it went ahead and it traded on a no trading zone. So I had asked all my Bank Nifty option trading community not to trade for the day because tomorrow we are going to have a home run. Now let us look at the most key levels tomorrow. Now Nifty is almost geared up for a gap up tomorrow. Now this gap up is going to sustain or not is another question. But if we by any chance cross 15,838, then I am looking for an expiry near 16,000. So I will be looking for a bull call spread if we open tomorrow about 15,838 and sustain for 15 minutes. I'll be looking for a long trade. But if you are a shorter, now all the shorters have been killed royally from every angle in every stock and index today. But if you happen to be one of those clever ones, then I would tell you that if it is going to break 15,769 is when you would need to initiate your short trade, and this would be a target of 80 to 70 points here. If it is opening sideways tomorrow and stays at the range, we will wait for it to break, and then we will look at the 16,000 round number for this expiry itself. So these are the important levels for Nifty. Now in terms of Bank Nifty, I'm already set in over here that if by any chance Bank Nifty is going to go ahead and open about 35,000, okay, and let's say it consolidates at this particular range, then we are going to have 200 points on an upside. And I would say if the rally would sustain, then we can also look for a 500 point target above 35,200 if we open between 35,000 and 35,200, sustain and then break the level of 35,185. So tomorrow is going to be a very exciting day. I hope my levels go ahead and help you guys. And if you want to join our live trading forum, please visit www.rltrgroup.com. Today, my participants made a lot of money. If you want to see how much they have made, then there is a link to the Telegram channel that is being listed below. I want you to just go there, have a look, and see how we are progressing. With this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day. Love you all. God bless you. We'll see you once again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.